entire mountain swells, which means that the outer slopes get steeper. There are probably a succession of small earthquakes and then maybe a big earthquake that shakes loose this very steep western flank of the volcano.
Almost 1,500 cubic kilometers of earth and rock plummet into the sea. On impact, the land displaces a massive amount of water. The ocean rushes back to fill the giant gap. From this cataclysmic disturbance emerges the tsunami, heading directly for Honolulu. Estimated time to impact, 30 minutes.
You'd see the sea rear up in front of you. It would be huge. It would rise up above you.
Tsunami slams Honolulu. Because the tsunami's energy stretches down to the ocean floor, this wave is not clean water. It's filled with sand, coral, and rock. Water penetrates 16 kilometers inland before being sucked back out to sea in a lethal maelstrom of wreckage.
The oceans are so vast that much of the ocean has never even been explored. Waves come in towards the shore in a horizontal fashion. And that's not the case with waves near this island. They actually create a chessboard like occurs is due to the intersection of two seas located near the island. It's known as a cross sea. A certain weather pattern around the sea causes the waves to form this way. While the waves may look amazing, you do not want to be in the water when they form this shape. It's because the riptide is extremely powerful when this happens. The riptides, they manage to get out of the water safely. One man was photographed swimming in the middle of one of the squares. All over the world, none of them create waves like these. Fortunately, the waves in this area don't always flow this way. Most of the time, the waters are very safe when it comes to natural disasters. Hurricanes, tsunamis, tornadoes, blizzards, and thunder and lightning, it's all been